It's time for a break, but stay with us. Kids Unfiltered is up when we return.
Good night, everybody. Just checking in. What a resilient country this is. Like, what I witnessed today is nothing short of extraordinary. Miracles happen, and the miracle of love, the miracle of perseverance, of strength, the unity that I saw today and I witnessed today, from the kids dancing and cheering, and to the elderly, to everybody in between, helping all, no matter what color.
This time we need to help each other, be there for each other.
It's not a drugstore, you know?
I lost my house, but I'm giving thanks. I have life.
Your boy, love and respect, you know.
Nice.
Yeah, man.
Nice, respect.
Yeah, man, give thanks, brother.
Love. Breed, race, age thing. It's just, this country is special, and the world knows this, and the world has acknowledged this. Jamaica has been a healing beacon and shown up for so many people in different ways, different little nuggets of wisdom, little nuggets of joy, little bit sparks in your heart. Jamaica has touched so many people, and guess what? The world is showing up for Jamaica, and we thank you.
Now I rethink the things I treasure. A fragment of hope is in these eyes.
The time by Grace Good Move is
8:30. It's time.
Welcome to High School Pitchside. We have another fascinating episode for you.
More matches, more big clashes,
Let's talk about some of the big rivalries coming up this week.
more of your favorite features,
And trust me, you won't fall asleep in this history class.
and of course, we always want to hear from you.
Hear from your alma mater's players and coaches in Team Talk.
You know we can't leave you out. So send us your messages on social media and watch us react on FanView.
And you know we love a good little debate, right, Gio? We've got you covered all season long on High School Pitchside.
High School Pitchside, your ultimate guide to all things schoolboy football, Thursdays at 8 p.m. on CVM TV.
Hey everybody, I'm Yendi, and this is Odyssey with Yendi. In this space, we connect with some of your favorite people as they share their journeys. Here we have some unfiltered conversations as we deep dive into their inspirations, motivations, and experiences to inspire our own life journey.
Let's delve deep into the issues. We'll take you beneath the surface.
Greetings and salutations. My name is Orville Higgins, and it's another edition of Fan Central.
Talking to the people at the heart of the top sporting stories. Hear from your favorite sportsmen and women and the administrators who work tirelessly to make it all happen. It's a live sports talk.
I've written an entire article.
Yeah.
Looking at all the major issues every Tuesday at 9 p.m. It's Fan Central.
That is it. They say a child shall lead them. And so Kids Unfiltered, I'm always interested in what our children have to say or what they have to present. So as Jamaica continues to heal and rebuild, it's important for the nation's children to understand the power of unity in a crisis. For this Kids Unfiltered, we're joined by the St. Andrew High School for Girls, darling. The St. Andrew. Their dance troupe, they're here, and they will be performing a powerful message of unity, resilience, and love through a piece titled My Sister's Keeper. They will share what inspired the piece, how art can be a form of healing, and how young Jamaicans are using their talents to bring hope to the nation. But first, let's hear from Samantha Anderson, Moya Lee Cameron, Ruth Marie Delgado, and Josiah Richards, as well as Melanie Taylor. Good morning, ladies. How are you? Good morning. Lovely. And I know that a morning like this, you got to get up early. You see all that is happening on TV with your fellow Jamaicans. How are you guys managing with all of what is happening?
Well,
Go ahead.
okay. It's quite difficult to comprehend the disaster that's in the western region of Jamaica. I think being on social media is taking a toll on all of us because, like I said, it's just hard to understand.
For you, how are you managing, my love?
For me personally, I've been taking social media breaks. So I've been almost filtering out what I'm digesting because it's a lot right now.
How has the arts been helping you to maybe channel some of your nervous energy or anxiety? And how do you think it can help others cope as well?
For me personally, the arts is really a safe space, and especially in a time like this where words really are not enough, and I don't think they'll ever be enough anytime soon to really express the gravity of the situation that we're facing as a nation. And it's just really a privilege to have this channel to express ourselves through and to send a message to our fellow Jamaicans and to everybody around the world that we will rise again through unity.
Absolutely amazing. And talk to me a little bit about, you know, a young lady or a young man watching you right now. What can they do, would you say, in terms of, you know, expressing themselves, in how not to just have the feelings all bottled up, just to let it out?
I feel like it's important to speak to one another, just don't keep it to yourself. That's how things fester and it gets worse. So I think you need to let it out in creativity. If you're a creative person, whether music, dance, visual arts, whatever it is. And if you're not a creative person with your work, try to distract yourself, because focusing on these negative impacts can have a negative toll on your mental health, and eventually it can affect your health.
And let me ask you, what do you think, for those of you young people who have not been as impacted, what do you think are some of the things you can do to help, whether big or small at this time?
I definitely think that you should try and get involved. There's a lot of drives, a lot of ways to donate that have been expressed and are out there. So definitely try to look for ways that you can help with your time, with anything that you can donate.
No, lovely ladies.
Very well articulated.
And we're happy to have you, because trust me, we need to see some youth and some arts in this time. So we are going to leave it over to you. And before we go, just have to say thank you so much, because that's a wrap for this morning and for this morning's show. Thank you so much to Shop Coco Bella for my. There's so much gratitude.
Hi,
you know,
Denise.
it's time. Hi, Denise.
She
it's time
always
for
represents,
gratitude.
you know,
And trust me, let me tell you, even when we're feeling low, you can count on Shop Coco Bella and our other providers to help us at least
Thanks,
look high.
Anya's Closet. You're absolutely amazing, my love. And thanks to all of you for watching. We sincerely appreciate it. Kevin Burke, our guest before, asked us to just mention Island Task. That's an app to communicate and to contact persons. So you can go and research that. And of course, remember to drop off stuff if you can to Devon House or any other charity that you can today, no matter how big or small. We appreciate it all. Thank you so much for watching. And thanks for being here with us. Remember that kindness is karma and kindness is magic. So be the blessing that you want to see and be as kind to as many people as you possibly can. And please remember to be kind to yourselves. Have a magnificent day. Tomorrow, I think IT is going to be here.
Yes, should be. I believe so.
I don't know when the wind is going to blow, but one thing we know, sunrise will be rising. St. Andrew Dance Troupe. Ladies, take it away. Have a blessed day.
It feels so good to be alive. Got all my family by my side. Couldn't wipe this black off if I tried. That's why I lift my head with pride. I got a million miles on me. They want to see how far I'll go. The path was never made with gold. We worked and built this on our own. And can't nobody knock it if they tried. This is hustle personified. Look how we've been fighting to stay alive. So when we win, we will have pride. Do you know how much we have cried? How hard we had to fight. To be alive. It feels so good. Got all my sisters by my side. I got all my sisters by my side. This black off if I try. Black off if I try. That's why I lift my head with pride. Now we're sitting on top of the world again. I got a million miles on me. They want to see how far I'll go. They want to see how far I go. The path was never made with gold. We fought and built this on our own. And can't nobody knock it if they tried. This is hustle personified. Look how we've been fighting to stay alive. So when we win, we will have pride. Do you know how much we have cried? How hard we had to fight. To be alive. It feels so good. Got all my family by my side. And we gon' sit on top of the world again. Back off if I wouldn't trade nothing. And I wouldn't trade nothing. So baby, lift your head, yeah. Feels so good to be alive. Darling, it's a celebration for you, girl. You're doing everything they said you couldn't do. Lift your head, yeah. Ooh.
The internationally acclaimed On Stage with Winford Williams.
At a new time.